Okay guys, October 22nd, about 9:30 in the morning. I got the window out. Got a fan blowing the other way, so most of the dust will blow this way or blow out. So yeah, ran into more problems. So of course the window's not level. So here's my level. It's off about, I don't know, 5/8 of an inch. So if you look down here, this foundation is sunk, and this little pony wall from the bottom to right there is kicked in. So I'm gonna see if I can take a little weight off of it and pound this that way about a ½ inch or maybe to the end of that, and then redhead it. I can actually get my rotor hammer in there. So more stuff to do, and then I gotta recut this window. I gotta add a couple studs on that side and one on this side, and cut a little bit on the bottom. But I'm gonna get my laser out, take that other piece of OSB off, and laser that window seal to this window seal. Try to get it even, because you'll be able to tell when I put Hardy back on it that it's not even. So we'll see how that works. But anyways, we'll see. So I got my Buddha jack down there, and now I got to crawl underneath the house, but I can get through it through there. So we'll see how that goes. Talk to you later. Fun, fun, fun. Okay guys, October 22nd, and like 15 minutes later from my last video. I got my Buddha jack, 35 tons. Of course I have to clear the sewer line drain, and then clear the copper line that's going underneath there. So got all my junk situated, the 4x6 beam on 3 floor joists. So we'll see if I can jack this crap up. All these spider webs, nice. Haven't seen any live insects though, but anyways, wish me luck. There's your problem. The freaking foundation's cracked right there. Of course I'm getting sun flare, but oh well. Talk to you later. Bye. Got my coveralls on, so I'm ready to go in. Okay, alright, I'm down here. This is the low angle cam. So we got the jack. We're going up. I hear stuff cracking. I've already jacked it a little bit. Let's go see how much I can do. It doesn't really look like it's raising it up though. So, anyways. Come on, baby. There's a big crack there. I see a little daylight underneath the threshold. Oh, there you go. There's some daylight. I gotta bring it up a little bit more. Sorry about the Boyle Rich project here. Okay, Sean and John. John, I'm using my Buddha jack. Sean, I'm working hard in the dirt. Got my coveralls on. Yep. So let's do a couple more here. Okay. Looks like it goes up and then it goes back down, but I don't know. Alright, so we'll go upstairs and see. I want to check my front door that I set, make sure I didn't pinch it, because that'll suck. Alright, see you later. Okay guys, October 22nd at 4 o'clock. So I got the foundation done. Yay. Jacked it up quite a bit, and then I pulled all the window junk out and reframed it, and that was off like 5/8 of an inch. So I had to make these stupid wedges, because I wasn't going to take the whole thing apart. So I made a little wedge there down to nothing, and then the opposite is there. So whoever framed this, you know, must not have owned a level. Maybe levels weren't invented in 1936, who knows, but that guy needs to be slapped. So anyway, so now I got it. It's 4 foot wide by 5 foot tall. So, and then here's my foundation. I got red head bolts in it, 3 of them. So I had to heat that one up because I ran out of nuts. So I went to my neighbor's, they had a nylock nut. That doesn't work, so I had to heat it up to melt the nylon part so I could tighten it. Oops. So make that a note. And so anyway, so now I just need to add another stud right kind of past that box, and then insulate it, and then put the shear on. So, and this wall's straight now, so it was way off. Anyways, okay, Sean, I'm getting to work. Yes, I did scare the spiders underneath there. So talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, I think it's October 23rd, about 1 o'clock. So I got all the studs in, I got it all ground where it needs to be ground, so it's halfway flush. Insulation's in, I think I said that already. And so now I got to just put the OSB on. So I already took some trim off the other side, and then I'm gonna. Okay, Mike here. It's Tuesday the 29th. Yesterday it rained, so I didn't work, but I did work Saturday about 4 hours and Sunday about 6 hours. So got the flashing done, trim done, window in. I put metal down there because we're going to do where that notch is on the bottom. We're going to round that curb to match that curb so water and stuff won't go in there and rot out the board anymore. So still haven't got my freaking windows, hopefully this Wednesday, so nice and cold in my house, but at least water doesn't get in there. I poured another footing, so the deck's going to come a little bit past that footing right there. Got my vents trimmed out, got my door in, got all trimmed out on the side, so I'm going to be doing siding today, and then I'll do siding up to about a little bit above that vent. Then I'll be putting the deck on, or framing the deck frame out. Then trim the door out, and then finish doing the siding up to the window until I get my windows Wednesday. And then I'll be able to finish the siding. So, yay! So, of course it's freaking cloudy and cold. I don't like cold. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, Mike here on October 31st. Happy Halloween. So I got this side sided on the right side of the chimney. Still need to caulk it though. I'll do that today when it warms up a little bit. But today is deck building day. So let me walk over here a little bit. So I got my siding up to my white ledger board there, and I got my hanger layout 16 on center on this side. So, and then I had to primer and set these hangers so it's level. So anyways, I'm just just primered them, so I'm waiting for the primer to dry, so yay. I got a couple more pieces over there on the sawhorses, so anyway, so that's all I'm doing today. And then once I get the deck, once those are dry, then I'll put the boards across the deck joist boards and get it all squared up. And then for now, I'm going to paint it yellow. The house is going to be yellow, like a super light yellow. So I'm going to paint that bottom underneath that ledger board so I don't have to crawl underneath there with a paint sprayer to do it. And then I'll just put a couple of pieces of plywood on top of the deck boards for temporarily until I get the deck material. And then I'll finish siding the house. Got to trim out the door and the windows and then finish my run. So anyways, have a great day. Bye.